Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to engage cruise control in 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2012 and all the way up to 2022. In order for your cruise control to work, you have to drive over 30 miles per hour, and then you will have to press this button. Now your cruise control is on, and to start cruising you will have to toggle this switch down. And now you can toggle it up to increase your speed. So when you're at your desired speed, you will be cruising. If you wanna decrease your speed, you just wanna toggle this switch down. If you wanna pause cruise control, you will press cancel button. If you wanna stop it completely, you will have to press this button. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.